Rachel, I create colourful paintings and I make tutorials so that you can learn how to paint them too. I wanted to shoot a quick video showing you an easy way to paint whiskers. I've always struggled to paint whiskers, and even if I used the smallest, thinnest paintbrush I could find, the brushstroke would still always come out way too thick. So if you're a little bit heavy-handed like me, then this video should help you. The trick is to use a slanted paintbrush. I'd say a small to medium size is best, and the most important thing is that it's flat, so make sure there's no bristles sticking out. The second trick is to use a fluid acrylic paint. This flows a lot better than regular acrylic paint, so it can create a nice thin line. If you don't have fluid paint, then you can mix a bit of water into normal acrylics to get a similar consistency. Dip your paintbrush into some water and wipe off the excess, then squeeze the brush to make sure it's as thin as possible. Dip the end of the paintbrush into the paint, making sure there's not too much on there, and then press the brush on either side to make sure there's no paint buildup. Then just gently drag the paintbrush across your canvas. Make sure you're leading with the shorter end of the brush and mainly use the drag of the longer end to create the line. I have used this technique in a lot of my animal paintings, including this colourful hare painting. I personally find this so much easier than using a tiny paintbrush, although everyone is different and everyone paints in different ways, so it is worth experimenting with different brushes and paints to figure out what works best for you. But I do hope that you find this helpful, and I hope you can create some amazing animal paintings with this technique.